Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist. This is an interesting perspective. A little bit more difficult if you've never done it before. Kitty's looking right down and you can hardly see any of the mouth and chin. So I'm just kind of mapping in Kitty's shapes here quickly. I'm going at 4 times the speed and voicing over. Just getting shapes and angles in more than anything at this stage. Try that again. I didn't like that nose. Just get the eyes in lightly because I want them to be right, so I want to have some room for corrections. Just making sure those eyes fit into the eye sockets and into the contour of the kitty's head. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment about yourself or your cat. Tell me what you want to learn about cat drawing, whatever. Just kind of refining the shapes at this stage, making sure everything looks comfortable. You can barely see that little mouth there. So put the pupil color in too, or the pupil darkness in too, lighter, and then go darker. Just to make sure I'm happy with it first. Leave myself room for correction. You can really play with the highlights of the eyes. And they can really add to how the kitty looks, where kitty's looking. That little catnip mouse, I guess, in there between the paws. Kind of a sweet pose, I think. It's a playful kitty. Yeah, too much. Sometimes there's too much and you just gotta soften it down with an eraser. Now we're gonna zoom up to 8 times the speed and speed through the rest of this drawing. Shade the mouse to make sure it stands out. You can tell what that is in there. Wasn't super happy with my expression lines at first. That's what erasers are for. It's getting there. Add a bit more shading. Some wiggle lines. And whiskers. I like it. Thank you so much for watching today. Lots more videos to come, so we'll see you next time.